History of potato. Where is the potato originally from? The potato is native to the Peruvian-Bolivian Andes. It was cultivated in South America by the Incas as early as 1,800 years ago. The Spaniards who colonized South America introduced potatoes into Europe during the second half of the 16th century. Put 300 gram flour in the bowl. 2 tablespoons Cebu vegetable pakoda masala. Salt to taste. Water as per need. Mix it well. Make a thin paste. Add coriander leaves in mashed potato. Salt to taste. 2 tablespoons Cebu vegetable pakoda masala. Mix it well. Make a mixture. Shape into ball size. Dip potato in gram flour paste. Deep fry. Sprinkle Cebu chaat masala. Sprinkle coriander leaves. Cebu cooking tips. How long do you have to boil potatoes? 10 to 12 minutes for peeled and cubed potatoes. 15 to 20 minutes for whole red or Yukon Gold potatoes. 25 to 30 minutes for whole russet potatoes. You'll know they're done when they pierce easily with a fork. Help us to serve you better.